Want to start exercising, but don't know where to begin, feel shy at the gym, or worry you'll do it wrong? Today's video is your no-pressure beginner workout. Easy moves, no fancy equipment, and zero jumping required. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple routine you can repeat 3 to 5 days a week. And you'll know exactly how hard to push without getting overwhelmed. Let's do this together, slow, steady, and safe. What beginners should know first: a quick truth. You don't need a perfect workout, you need a consistent one. A good beginner plan focuses on 3 things: light cardio for the heart, strength for muscles, and mobility so the body feels loose, not stiff. And remember, adults generally aim for 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity per week, plus muscle strengthening on 2 or more days, but you can build up to that step by step. Warm up before any workout. Give your body a warm-up. This helps your heart and muscles gradually get ready for movement. Instead of shocking your system, warm up, march in place. Easy pace 60 seconds. Shoulder rolls plus arm circles 30 seconds each direction. Hip circles 30 seconds. Step touch side to side 60 seconds. Gentle bodyweight half squats 10 slow reps. Keep it easy. Warm-up should make you feel warmer and slightly out of breath, but not tired. Main workout now. We start the beginner routine. Do everything slow. Control. If your form breaks, reduce the range of motion quality over speed. Do each exercise for 40 seconds, then rest 20 seconds. Complete 2 rounds. Exercise 1. Chair squat, legs plus glutes. How to do it: stand in front of a chair, sit back lightly, then stand up. Keep chest up, knees pointing forward, and push through the heels. Beginner option: sit fully, pause, then stand. Exercise 2. Wall push-up, chest plus arms, hands on a wall at chest height. Walk feet back a little, then bend elbows and push the wall away. The more you step back, the harder it gets. Exercise 3. Step-ups, cardio plus legs. Use a sturdy step or stair. Step up with the right foot, then left. Step down carefully. Switch your lead foot halfway. Beginner option: do a slow up, dash down rhythm. Exercise 4. Glute bridge, glutes plus core. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Squeeze glutes and lift hips slowly, then lower with control. Don't arch the lower back, lift with the hips. Exercise 5. Dead bug core stability. Beginner friendly. On your back, arms up, knees bent. Slowly extend opposite arm and leg, then return. Keep lower back gently pressed down. Beginner option: only move legs or only move arms. Exercise 6. Standing knee raises. Easy cardio plus balance. Stand tall, lift one knee up to hip level if possible, then switch. Move like you're marching but stronger. Beginner option: hold a chair for balance. Coach talk to keep viewers engaged. If you can speak a full sentence, you're in a good beginner zone. Feeling your muscles work is good. Sharp pain is not stop if that happens. Your goal today isn't to suffer, your goal is to show up. Cool down now, let the body come down slowly. A cool down helps your heart rate move toward normal gradually after exercise. Cool down about 3 to 5 minutes. Slow walking in place 60 seconds. Calf stretch 30 seconds each side. Hamstring stretch 30 seconds each side. Chest opener stretch 30 seconds. Deep breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, exhale 6 seconds, 3 rounds. Weekly beginner plan. If you're a total beginner, start with this routine 3 days a week. On other days, do a simple brisk walk. Over time, work toward the weekly goal of about 150 minutes of moderate activity, plus 2 strength days. Remember this: you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to become great. If this helped you, like this video, share it with a friend who wants to start exercising. Follow for more beginner-friendly workouts, and subscribe so you never miss a simple, science-based routine.